Hi everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name is Amy and at Softtrix we specialize in delivering data-driven high-performance data marketing solutions, and today we are back with another case study. Our client, a trusted solar energy installation and the roofing service provider based in the Tampa Bay area, has been in the industry for over 15 years. Despite their extensive experience, the client struggled to generate the quality leads through their Google AdWords campaigns. The previous strategy were not optimized, leading to wasted spend and subpar results. After encountering our educational content on Google AdWords strategy for service-based businesses, they have reached out to us for help. The main challenges they faced including the low quality leads, unoptimized campaigns, and the lack of proper conversion tracking, making it difficult to measure the performance accurately. To address these issues, we have developed a comprehensive Google AdWords strategy focused on the lead generation for their solar and the roofing services. We began with improving the conversion tracking. We have used the Google Tag Manager to implement the tracking for the key action like the form submission, phone calls, and the button clicks on the client website. We have also set up the custom conversion goals within the Google AdWords, ensuring that all the leads were accurately tracked and accounted for. This enabled us to gather the precise data on what was working and what need further optimization. With the right data, we could refine our campaigns and focus on high performing keywords and the audience segments. We have conducted in-depth keyword research identifying high intent phrases specific to their services. For solar installation, we targeted the keyword like solar panel installation near me, best solar installation Tampa, and residential solar panels. For the roofing services, we have focused on roofing contractors Tampa, roofing repair Tampa, and new roof installation Tampa. By using the phrase and the exact match, we ensured that we have captured the most relevant search queries from users actively searching for their services. We also added the negative keyword like cheap solar panels, free roofing estimate to filter out the irrelevant traffic and ensure the high quality leads. We have set up the search campaigns around these high intent keywords, ensuring that the ads were tightly aligned with the user search intent. Each ad was crafted with a strong call to action such as get a free quote and call now to encourage users to take immediate action. For broader reach and the lead generation, we have implemented the PMAX campaign, which allowed us to showcase the ads across multiple Google channels, including the YouTube, Gmail, and the display network in addition to search. These campaigns were optimized with the audience signals and the keyword to help target users who were likely to be interested in the solar and the roofing services. To maximize the effectiveness of these campaigns, we also ran competitor campaign. By bidding on the competitor brand names, we have ensured that our client ads appeared when potential customers were searching for the other service providers, offering them a better alternative. This strategy allowed us to capture the high intent users who were already comparing different options. Additionally, we have focused on the demographic targeting to reach homeowners in the specific age group like the 30 to 65 who were more likely to make decisions about how improvements like the solar installation and the roofing repairs. We also have optimized the campaign for the mobile users who are often looking for the services on the go, adjusting bids to ensure the ads were competitive for the mobile clicks. We have implemented the remarketing campaign to re-engage users who had previously interacted with the website but did not convert through the tailored ads such as still interested in the solar panels, get your free quote, and need roof repair, call us. We were able to bring back the visitors and convert them into the leads. These remarketing efforts saw significant success, leading to a 23% increase in the number of conversions. Through the continuous optimization such as the A/B testing for the ads, landing pages, and the bid strategies, we were able to refine our approach. Initially, we have used the manual CPC to get a feel of how the keywords were performing, and later we have switched to a target CPA bidding strategy to actually reduce the CPL and drive more conversions at a lower spend. As a result, these optimization, we saw a 50% increase in qualified leads and reduced cost per lead by almost 30%. So after implementing the strategy, the clients saw significant improvements in their Google AdWords campaigns. The campaign generated around 132 conversion with the CPA of only $16, ensuring that every dollar spent on the advertising was yielding the substantial returns. Performance Max campaign alone contributed to around 45% of the total conversion, demonstrating the power of the multi-channel advertising for the lead generation. The results were clear. Within just a few months, the client saw a major boost in the leads, driving high quality leads for their solar installation and the roofing services. By optimizing for the high intent keywords, implementing the competitor targeting and refining the conversion tracking, we were able to improve their Google AdWords ROI and ensure they were attracting the right customers at the right time. So now in terms of the conclusion, by leveraging the right mix of the high intent keyword targeting, PMAX campaigns and the remarketing, we were able to transform the client Google AdWords strategy, significantly improving their lead generation efforts. Our custom conversion tracking paired with the device and demographic level optimizations allowed us to continually refine the campaigns and ensure the most effective use of the ad spend. The client was able to generate quality leads at a lower cost, ultimately increasing their bottom line. So if you have any campaigns running in the similar niche, you can contact us for the free audit. There is a phone number on the top right corner. You can contact us on WhatsApp. We will be able to look at your account and then we can let you know what you are doing and what you need to do in order to maximize the ROI from the campaigns. But if you do not have any PPC campaigns running, then you can just share with us some basic information like the website URL, the monthly budget and the location targeting. We can do the research and then we can share with you the plan of action on what we can do to bring your business online to the next level. Please do like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Thank you for watching the video.